Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to make your own CBD salve at home. Before we dive into it, let's start by asking, what is CBD Salve? CBD Salve is a hemp-derived topical cream, which can be extremely helpful for people with various health conditions, including arthritis, inflammation, and eczema. CBD Salve can really work wonders with your body. It'll give you that relief you were looking for. Making your own CBD Salve allows you to customize the ingredients and even the potency. You can even include other herbs like lavender or lavender oil, which are known for their medicinal properties. Now, in order to make your own CBD Salve at home, we're going to need some tools. To start off, the ingredients we'll need are CBD oil or isolate, carrier oil like coconut oil, beeswax, and other optional essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. In the kitchen, we'll need a few things like a double boiler, a mixing utensil, and containers for storing the salve. But before we get cooking, it's important to note, you should always get your CBD from a certified seller. Consult with your doctor if you have questions, and also, it doesn't hurt to get to know your farmer. You might be wondering how much CBD you should actually be putting in your salve. For this, we recommend an online dosage calculator, such as cbddosagecalculator.com, to really nail how much you need. In this case, it's better safe than sorry. Alright, let's jump into it. Step 1. Creating the CBD infused oil. You can use your double boiler if you have one, but if not, you can always fill up a cooking pot with water and place a stainless steel bowl on top of it and begin to simmer the water on low heat. Go ahead and grab a spoon or two of your carrier oil, then begin to mix your desired CBD dose with the oil and keep mixing until it's all melted. Step 2. Beeswax and essential oils. To create the salve's base, you'll want to blend melted beeswax in with the CBD infused oil, as well as a few drops of your preferred essential oils. And like before, make sure you give it a good mix. Now let's go on to step 3. Mixing and cooling. After giving all the ingredients a good mix, you want to make sure that you cool the mixture slightly before pouring it into containers. Remember that in this recipe, low heat is key. Alright, step 4. Pouring and storing. Your best bet would be to pour the CBD salve into containers such as jars or tins. You'll want to make sure that it's properly sealed and then stored in a cool place to maintain potency. And now for the easiest part. Step 5. Using the CBD salve. Simply apply the salve to any area of your body in need of pain relief, and voila, you're done. So, in conclusion, after following all the 5 easy steps, you'll have your own DIY CBD salve in no time. And remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using CBD products. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY herbal wellness content. Get to know your bud and body better with our easy-to-use at-home potency tester. With tCheck, you'll be able to tailor your dosage to your exact needs with complete certainty. Here at tCheck, potency is perfected.